Someone will ask me which is the most required thing to get the success in your life. My answer would be consistency. Because consistency is the most required thing to get the success in your life. If you are being consistent in the form of your action, you will definitely hit the success. Just say this point in your mind that success is not one day task. It's an ongoing procedure. If you keep going in the direction of your dream, you will definitely hit the success. We should not forget the power of consistency, but first we must know the exact meaning of consistency. Consistency is not about being regular. Consistency includes two things. The first is your patience and the second your improvement. If you are being consistent, but if you don't have the patience to touch your success level, you won't be able to touch your success level. Same there, if you have the power of consistency, but if you don't know the power of improvements, you can't be in the next level. To be in the next level, you have to improve yourself. Same like in the video game, if you want to be in the next level, you must have the capability to cross the first level, then you will be capable to touch in the next level. Same there in your life, if you want to be in this next level, you must improve yourself, you must improve your skill, you must improve yourself with the power of consistency. Sometimes we are very consistent in the form of our action, but we are not capable to improve ourselves. Same there, sometimes we are very capable to be consistent, but we don't have the patience to wait for the success. In that situation, you will definitely fall down. I will simply explain my point of view by putting some of the examples. A person who is learning English language, he can speak English language within 3 or 4 months. But if he wants to be an extraordinary communicator, he should be consistent more than 8 to 10 months. If he is being consistent, but if he doesn't have the patience level, if he doesn't have the power of improvement, he will definitely won't be able to be an extraordinary communicator. To be an extraordinary communicator, you must have the desires to uplift your standard. You must have the guts to fulfill your task every day. You must have your proper action. You must have your proper strategy. You must be consistent with your patience and with your improvements. The second example is that if you are doing regular exercise, but if you are not improving yourself, if you don't have the patience to touch your healthy level, you won't be able to see yourself in a fit and fine shape. You must improve yourself every day to get a proper muscle, to get healthy body and to get a muscular body. This is all about my side. I hope you guys really got the exact meaning of consistency. Consistency just requires two things. The first is your patience and the second is your improvement. If you have the proper patience with your improvement, you will definitely be consistent, and consistency is the most powerful tool to get the success in your life.